Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a special device today that I'm actually very thrilled to use. What it is this rotisserie shawarma maker. Let me show you guys the features of it, which is pretty cool. So let's do this. All right, so what we have here, it's a rotisserie contraption where you could basically put anything you want on here to make it a rotisserie cook. Chicken, shawarmas, kebabs, and whatever you like. Anything that you could fit in here, you could make it rotisserie and cook it that way. Now, some of the features. This is gas. Gas apparently tastes better than electric, so I've heard. So I went with the gas option. There's a water chamber up here, basically to keep the top piece as cool as possible. It's still going to be hot. Two flames, infrared flames, skewers, two knobs, so you could have the option to have one or both on, and the rotisserie part. Now, I don't know if the ignition is going to work, but we're going to give it a try. You're going to let it run a little bit.
Yep, that smells like propane.
All right, I'm gonna push it in, let the propane run. Okay, I don't know, this spark thing doesn't always work. But if you have a lighter.
Oh, there's a spark that ignites it?
Yeah. So we're gonna do the lighter thing. As you saw, it turned on.
Can I light that one?
Here we go, it turned on. We're gonna let it go for a minute. I'm gonna take this off because I need to put my chicken in there. So we're just gonna take the rotisserie piece out where my lighter's sticking up. All right. So we're gonna let this run a little bit. We're gonna put the chicken in on the rotisserie stick and bring it back and put it on. So let's do it.
When people make shawarmas, they usually like stack chicken breast, right? Are we just going to use this chicken? Unless we don't have any leftovers. Yummy.
All right, so we have the chicken on here. The way to place the chicken, there's a hole down here. So we're gonna place this into the hole. We're gonna push it up and then place it into the gearing mechanism that's on the bottom, and it just drops in. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the rotisserie on. We're gonna turn the flames on.
Can I light this one?
Okay, go. There you go, flame is on. And there's a drip pan right here, so all the oils and everything is going to drip down here. Obviously we have a wing that's rubbing, so we're going to fix that first. Let's turn the flames off. I have a wing that's rubbing right now, so let me fix that, be right back. Okay, wings are fixed. My son's gonna turn the flames on back again. Okay, go to the other side. I gotta turn the gas on. Okay, go. There we go. Now we're gonna lower the gas halfway because we don't want it to start burning from the get-go. And we're just gonna let this run. And I have this placed in my garage because it's raining outside. It's very moist. So this is gonna cook in the garage. It's gonna make the garage smell delicious. And we're gonna see how long it's gonna go and how long it's gonna take for this thing to be fully cooked. So I'm estimating probably about an hour 20 minutes maybe. But let's do an hour. Let's come back in an hour. Let's see how the chicken's doing by then. All right, guys, we are 30 minutes in, and this thing is freaking charred. Look how charred this thing is. So I turned off one of the flames, and it's just the skin. I'm not really too worried about it. Again, this is my first time using it, so just basically testing it out. You know, hopefully the chicken's gonna be cooked for another 30 minutes. I did turn off the flame, so it is burning a lot less at this point. I should have done that earlier. I think for longer cooks, I should only use one flame instead of two. So, but on shawarma, since we are taking layer after layer off, 2 burners would do okay, because it's a consecutively we're cutting stuff off. But on a rotisserie chicken, 1 flame. So I'm gonna let this run for another 20 minutes, then come back and see how it looks. All right, guys, the chicken is done. It's charred as it can get. We're gonna turn this off. We're gonna turn this off. I have 2 paper towels in my hand because the bottom plate is gonna be super, super hot. I'm gonna grab it like so, bring it down, and put it on a plate like so. Let's turn this around. All right. And
how much?
I put paper towels here to suck up the oil because I didn't want it.
Disgusting.
I don't want it to drip down the bottom piece right there. So we're gonna come back and clean that up. But now let's go cut through the chicken, see if it's cooked. Put pause it now.